Using the JKL keys is quick, but not necessarily very precise. If you really want to be precise, you can enter a time code and a duration directly in the viewer window. Let's take a look at how we would do that. The first thing we need to do is remove the current clip from our timeline. So to cut the clip from the timeline, simply right-click or control-click on the clip in the timeline and select Cut. Now we need to load the clip back from the browser into the viewer. We've been dragging it from the browser into the viewer. Let's try something different. If you simply double-click on the icon, it will load the clip directly into the viewer. You'll also notice that if you've used this clip before, it will maintain the previous in and out points that you used. So let's go ahead and delete those in and out points by simply hitting Option X. Now I know from my notes the exact frame I want to start this shot from. It's 16 hours in, 18 minutes and 53 seconds. So we're going to go to the time code field in the upper right hand corner of the viewer window, and I'm going to type 16:18:53:00. I don't need to type any colons. I just type the number, and as soon as I hit return, you'll see the colons are in place and the playhead will jump to the exact frame I want to start my shot on. The next step is to mark an endpoint. So we have a precise endpoint marked. Now we want to set a precise duration. I want this clip to be exactly 3 seconds long. So I'm going to move my mouse over to the timecode duration field, select that, and type in 300. As soon as I hit the return key, you'll see that an out point is going to appear on my timeline, giving me an exact 3-second duration. The next step is easy. We're just going to bring it into our timeline like we did before. Simply grab the clip, move it from the viewer into the canvas, and there in our timeline is a precise 3-second long clip.